Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? Welcome back to another video. It's kind of like some days now, so just a little bit busy. I'm trying some things out, so I'm sorry about that, because my actual plan is just to make video every day on this channel, but then as things goes on, I'm not sure I'll be able to meet up with that requirement, making a video every day on this channel. So but I made a promise that every week I will try my possible best to drop videos on this channel. And this new week I plan to upload like 3 or 4 videos on this channel, so I hope you guys will definitely enjoy it. So here in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get 10,000 impression as well as clicks on your Fiverr gigs. So I'm going to show you my Fiverr dashboard, what I got on each gigs and the clicks, and also how you can actually do that on your own gig or on your Fiverr account as well. So I'll head out my Fiverr account now so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So here you can see this is my first gig here on Fiverr, and on this gig I have 7.2 thousand impression as well as 1,200 clicks, 120 clicks, sorry, so 120 clicks with 5 orders. And this is my second gig, which says goes like this. Okay, this one is having 1.9k impression and 99 clicks, and this one is having 1.3k impression and 37 clicks. So I'm having less order on all these gigs. So but I believe as time goes on, everything will definitely wrap up to my expectation, and also more beyond my expectation. So what I actually want to share with you and how you can actually achieve this is this. So I'm going to share with you what you need to do to get this kind of impression as well as click, and also convert everything into order. The reason why I definitely think my this thing should be more than this. So I have a reload page, so that's why the page was reload. So you can even see that it's not a screenshot or something. So my plan is this. My order should be more than this. Yes, my order should be more than this, but my price is very high. So I think I should be able to, I should know what I'll be getting for working on this channel. Should you get what I should be getting in return? So my price is kind of like high. So then I think maybe that's the reason why most people that actually click on my gig are not purchasing. And for this gig, most people are interested in something like views on their gig. I don't know, maybe you have an idea about my niche though. So most people are interested in driving traffic, getting views, but then they are not interested in any organic service on YouTube. So but I don't care about that. Those people that actually value my service will definitely buy from me. So that is just about that. So then regarding how you can actually achieve all these things, impression, clicks, and get order as well. So I'm going to share with you my screen. So yeah, so what I actually do on that account is this. Every time I'm on PC, I put auto refresh extension on that browser, so that every 5 minutes the browser will keep on refreshing and also keep me online. So any buyer or any potential buyer that wants something like that will definitely find me online and also click my gigs. So that is just about that one. So if you are not using the right keywords on your gig, there is no way buyer can actually find your gig on Fiverr. So you need to niche down. What I mean by niche down, be specific on what you actually want to do on Fiverr. Be specific on what kind of service you're doing. Let's say for instance I impute YouTube YouTube manager. So that's the keyword YouTube manager. So you can see this keyword here, we having gigs of thousands gigs here, so you can see that. So let's keep on scrolling. So this is my gig, this is my gig for YouTube manager. I hope you can see that. Let me click so you get the idea. So this is my gig for YouTube manager. I literally niche down as a YouTube manager, and of course you see my gig title, I will manage your YouTube channel monthly until you get monetized. So any buyer that wants to buy my service will definitely know that, okay, this is how this kind of service works, and it's a monthly package. So then this is my basic package, which is 5 days management, which I will definitely manage your channel for 5 days. And of course that's just an example of how my service actually works. So if they definitely like my basic package, so they can go for the standard or the premium one. So it's left to that buyer. So what I actually want you to understand about this gig is that I literally niche down as a YouTube manager, and on a monthly basis. Hope you get it, that one now. So let's now think, like, if you are if I search for something like YouTube channel manager. Okay, YouTube channel manager. So you see now, you see this one is having 10,000 gigs. Yeah, so let me check if I have my gig. Oh wow, so you can see this is my gig again on the first page, over 10,000. I have only 3 reviews existing on my account. I still have one order in queue, which is monthly order. So the buyer purchased my service for monthly package. So then, so this is the thing. I niche down on that YouTube manager, and also niche down on this one too. But this keyword have multiple competition. So then I was able to still rank on the first page. Let's check on YouTube channel SEO. I don't know, maybe my gig is still ranking on this keyword. So but then you can see 14,000 gigs, almost going to 15,000 maybe. I don't know. So let me check if my gig is appearing here too. Not sure though, because I only know that I was ranked with YouTube manager with that keyword. So still checking. I'm not sure if I'm ranking sharp. I'm not sure. What's this? Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm ranking here, but let me filter to online seller. Yeah, let me filter to online seller, so I'll be able to get the idea if my gig is here or not, because I should be ranked to first page with online seller if my gig is appearing though. Okay, so I don't have my gig here. I definitely don't have my gig here. I don't need to stress up myself. So that's that. What you need to do if you want to niche down on your niche. So regardless of your niche, either your gig belong to any of this category, what you just need to do is put a first keyword on your account on this search. Put the first keyword, which is YouTube. Then check what people are definitely typing on YouTube. Then after you type the particular keyword, then go through all these suggestions, then choose the keywords that have low competition. You don't need to go for the one that have high competition. You can see this one as well, YouTube channel SEO, it has low competition. So if I include these keywords on my gig, definitely I'm going to rank with this keyword as well. But I'm not sure if I can be able to use this keyword, because I think this character is more than, I'm not sure if it's more than 20, because Fiverr don't accept any keyword that is more than 20 characters. So that's the reason why, maybe, I don't know. But then make sure you have your keywords within here, or if you notice that there are some certain keywords that you think okay, these are the keywords that buyer might, you just put yourself as a buyer, these are the keywords that buyer might have been using on their on to search on Fiverr. So just input that keyword on this Fiverr search box. Then after you input that keyword, you are going to look at the existing sellers in here. So you check on their gigs and see their keywords. If they are using that particular keywords that you are using on the Fiverr site, then check if they are also using it. If they are using it, then make use of it on your own Fiverr gig as well. I don't make use of all these saturated keywords, which is YouTube promotion, because I know it will be very hard for me to rank. And once it's very hard for me to rank, so definitely it will be kind of like very hard for me to make money on Fiverr. So then I would rather use the low competition or low competitive keywords on my gig, so that I can be able to rank and make money on Fiverr. So there are some other keywords as well, which is YouTube monetization. So this one is also manageable though, but let me see this one, YouTube monetization. So this one is still having 2000, but yeah, still makes sense though, still makes sense. You can see, you can even see my gig. Damn, I don't even know I have my gig here. You can see, so you can see multiple keywords that I'm using to drive traffic to my gigs. So you can see all this, you can definitely see all this. You just need to just niche down to your keywords, and make sure make sure you use the right keywords that people are definitely searching, so that your gig will not just be there looking. You will gain impression a little bit, then no clicks or no buyer to purchase your service on Fiverr. So this is just how I make use of this keyword research to use on my gig. And you can see my gig title is different from other gigs, is deeply different. My keywords is my gig title is very different from other gigs. You can see I'll manage your YouTube channel monthly until you get monetized. It's different. I'm not sure you can even see this keyword or gig title like this on Fiverr. So all these are organic promotion, all the stuff like that, So my gig is different, and as time goes on, I believe there is much to come to this gig, this particular gig. There is more to come to it. So this is how I set up my gig, and then how you can also do that on your own as well, and make more money on Fiverr, and also get your gig ranked on Fiverr platform. So it's been a while I experienced this kind of ranking though. Like, this is just massive ranking with multiple keywords. So this is how I do it. So, and then I believe you also can do something like this. So, but it just, you can, there are some I think there are some extension that I even introduced back then, which is I think what's the key, what's the tool, come in and check. Okay, I think, okay, Fiverr quick view extension. Yeah, Fiverr quick view extension. I think you can search for Fiverr quick view extension. So you can use this keyword, you can use this extension, sorry, you can use this extension to gather some keywords that you can use on your Fiverr gig when you are trying to set up your account. This extension will definitely help you to get some low competitive keywords that you can actually use on your gig. But after you get all these keywords, you need to make research before you implement them on your gig. It's very, very important, so you can see if buyers are in there, are using that keyword, if the existing sellers there are getting sales on Fiverr. These are the things you need to do before you proceed to do anything. So I hope you understand this. I believe this will definitely help you in one way or the other to rank your gig on Fiverr. So thank you for watching this video, and I promise to make more video within this week. Sure. So that's that for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.